Hey, welcome to How's the Channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to make a frame around text in Word. Open the Word document you need. We have a few options for you. First, select the text you need. Go to Design tab and choose Page Borders on the top right corner of the window. Go to Borders tab and click Box. Click OK. If you need to put the whole paragraph in the frame, you basically do the same steps. Select the paragraph you need. Go to Design tab and choose Page Borders at the top right corner of the window. Go to Borders tab and select Box. Make sure Apply To is set as Paragraph. Click OK. The second option is pretty easy. We just create a one-cell table. Go to Insert tab. Click on Table and choose one square. Paste the text. Pull the corners to resize the frame. Done. The last option in this tutorial. Go to Insert tab and choose Text Box. Select Simple Text Box. Paste your text. Easy. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!